Okay, this is the outside approach to a farm in southwest Nigeria. Now here we've got about 5 models, model 1, model 2, 3, 4 and 5 down there, and then attached to it are recirculating aquaculture system. Now we're going to take a closer look at what's going on inside, but before then we'll look at what's going on this side too. Here is the attachment hatchery that will generate thousands of fingerlings that have been dug, and then of course on the next axis is the nursery that is going to generate post fingerlings to juveniles for the project. Okay, so that is the second and the third model. The second model, third, fourth and fifth. These are all the valves. These are sumps. Sedimentation chamber. This is the water reservoir, and there's a soakaway pit. These balls. So Sunday my body and then we're going to the chambers now and see a few things. Okay, let me move up. Okay, so we're going to talk about the systems now. Number one, on the running of the system, we have water coming down from the main tap, from the whitish one, goes into the pond, fish swims inside the pond, and then wastewater goes out into the pipe here. They call it a Vivaldi valve. The Vivaldi valve is made to, it comes down right into this place. It's probably treated with an ozone before it comes into this chamber. Now this chamber, we're going to put in quite some biofuel inside. Then with the biofuel, in to take care of, to capture more solid waste that has been flocculated by the ozonator, and then it comes into this chamber where we're going to have we'll have the pump, a high volume, low pressure pump to give us high volume to turn the water in the system not faster than once every 2 hours and not slower than once every 5 hours. Take this here. Now it now moves the water across here, and it walks water across here, and then it goes down, right? The pipe goes down, and then through a major pipe, it now goes in through the pipe, through the hole there. That's about it. So the 6.5 to the top, and then the solid waste that's in the pool, that's coming with the pool, they are actually settling here. It actually moves technically for about a quarter, maybe about a fifth or a tenth of a mile. By the time it goes through this chamber, that, and that, we call this sedimentation chamber. Now, once the solids are taken care of, we're now moving to that chamber there. Now, that's called nitrification chamber. Its job is to actually break down the ammonia generated by the fish. Now, from there we gamble down into this chamber to have another nitrification going on. Then here we're going to have what we call ion exchange. No further nitrification. And then here we're going to have ion exchange. And here we'll have what we call a clarifier. Then from there the water goes into this chamber here. Come closer, cameraman. Now, then the water comes in right in through here, and it goes back by gravity to return into the pipe in there. That's exactly what they call a water recirculation aquaculture system, using undergravel, inverse flow undergravel biofiltration. Then of course, attached to it are these aeration lines to actually help give the bacteria population a lot of oxygen, together with the fish too, to have a lot of oxygen. And fresh water comes in, of course, for occasional replenishment into evaporation. Right? So we have this in about 5 models. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's some investment. And this just encourages the companies to do. That's why I said, let me show this first before the whole thing is now covered up with tarpaulin, to actually shade it up so that the fish will feel comfortable with the people who are running it. And of course, we have the lights for them to see when they're breathing. And of course, the other one there is made for red lamp, so that the fish will trust you when it's time for it to move around during feeding time. This is Mr. Fish speaking.